Hello everyone. Uh, Today I going to talk about uh, why I want to travel around the world. Mm, my purpose is give you different elements about two types of place and that you be able to understand the amazing in the will before you live. I want to show you like we could enjoy with a few knowledge about every man into a natural place. Also, I will show you other types of the place with abundant culture we have an historic. I want natural place. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to guide this group of the tourists in the Park Chikaki reserves, where we'll know two different places. The first will be the waterfall, and the second will be the eagle peak. Well, start the activity. We will go first from the waterfall. After, we will go on with Eagle Peak, the waterfall sector. It's at 6 a.m. I must wait for my group of the tourists, who will arrive at the meeting point where we will start our hike. My group locate within and boost my weight for the then took some a few minutes when they arrive. Good morning, dear tourists. My name is Nelson Rivera. I am professional tour guide, and I am happy because I will be able to accompany you today. We are the part of the waterfall. We are going to go walking around of the mountain around of the 2 hours now. My co-worker will proceed to give general recommendations. Please, you must now be separating of the group and no leading of the way. After, when we were organized equipment such as mat, compass, plastic layer, communication radios in case, and emergency among other, I also gave then other instruction. Well, my friends, please pay attention to the following explanation. When we will use of the plastic layer, we will eat when we feel so rain. Okay? So, now we are going to look how much use the map, the compass and radios and other elements like binoculars and the flightless. Now we will start with the map. The first word when much use before look for where us locate, and after we must drop our route always looks for our goal. Second element that we are going to look is the radio. When we have a radio in the hand, we must press the power button. It will turn on radio if you get spreads, if you could speak with other people. Let's continue. With the compass, please, you must keep in the looking north, and you can compare with the direction of the map. In this way, you could locate some point on land. Now we go with the binoculars and the flashlights. With much always keep our binoculars inside the box. When we use our binoculars, we must graduate in the according to distances of the object that you want to see and finally the flashlight. We must always look if it has batteries and after press the turn on button to see. Now we are going to look what happened with the Save for Alice. We started our travel to the waterfall and during the tour didn't happen nothing. But when we arrived, a tourist the name Michael did the first question. He said us what would have happened if we would not have made attention about what in the stride during tour. Or then of the guys playing in a race in the place. For example, fall around on the ground, other person did side us which was the problem of the extra floor in the top place. The first risk is that you could find not only floors in no someone dangerous animal. After some tourists asked questions about the ecosystem, for example, David told which is the name of the ecosystem waterfall. I said him that the ecosystem is very forest. Here we can find and the variety flora and the fauna the both in the terrestrial and aquatic. When we finished in place, we went to Eagle Peak. We walking around the one or more, and we could look majestic landscape. After I made the day, then to enjoy and buy a natural products in the store. Finally, on there or 10 of guys say goodbye and dance. Day 2. Sivate Park. Sorry. I was waiting for a group the English tourists. I was going to make a visit. A farm where there is a strawberry grove. For that reason we have to create a text about the farm to let the people take strawberry and why is a tradition to apply grain. We have to carry binoculars. When people arrive, I made a little introduce myself and we started the activity at 8 a.m. After I gave the instructions about use the binoculars and what schedule we are going to make this day. Hello everyone, I'm going to give you some instruction about the use of the binoculars. First, you must take the binoculars and the graph according to distance to the object that you want to look. Now, we are going to give other instruction about the light. We must stay inside the farm. We must not take the strawberries if some people love that. Now, we start with our activity. We sent many strawberry grow into the La Vereda Las Delicias. We went at Fibagi Farm, where our tourists learned about all process when the activity ends a lot of tourists had a lot of questions. The first question was made for William. William said that what does type of the fertilizants then use? I answer that they only use organic. After, when strawberry hunt, where we ate strawberry cream, us tourists were happy and enjoy all the food. Later, coming back on the visit of the Sivati Park, when told about the famous people and historical events. We were happy because and the people could know the story of the Sivarde. Thank you.